So this is a 14 by 16 canvas wall tent manufactured by Davis Tent Awning in Colorado. I set this up in my backyard, and I will typically use this out at a large property that I own at the coast of North Carolina. Let's take a little tour. So here we have inside the tent. It's quite roomy, and as you can see on the back wall, there is a 6,000 BTU air conditioner, and this is really a necessary item in the climate that I'm using this tent. Just take a walk around the back and I'll show you how the air conditioner is installed. There it is, back of the air conditioner, and I built a temporary platform. It's about 42 inches high, and it just balances quite nicely on there, distributes the load, and works very well. Cools the tent exceptionally well, especially at night when you really need it, when you're sleeping.